first question, if x is 7 plus 4 root 3, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 45, 46, 47, 40. Solve this. Then second question, if a minus b is 3, ab is 10, yes, bigger. Yes. One minute. 195, 194, 47. Do it. Hello, solve the problem. Second question is, if a minus b is 3, ab is 10, then the value of a plus b is plus minus 6, plus minus 7, plus minus 8, plus minus 5. Third question, the solution of linear equation x is equal to 4y minus 12 and 2x minus 5y is equal to 18 is a minus b is given 3. 3, no? Not coming. A minus b 2. 1 minute. Yes, correct. Correct this question. Answer is coming, my dear. Answer will come. Answer will come. Third question, the solution of linear equation x is equal to 4y minus 12, 2x minus 5y is equal to 18 is option A, x is 44, y is 10, B, x is 44, y is 6, C, x is 44, y is 14, D, x is 44, y is 10. We'll discuss at the end. Fourth question, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 7 if the digits are reversed. Reverse means you interchange unit place and 10 place. The new number decreased by 2 equals twice the original number. The original number is 16, 25, 52, 34. Fifth question, find the median of the following observations: 22, 10, 24, 11, 53, 13, 18, 20, 17. Options are 15, 16, 17, 18. So take 5 more minutes. Do it. Yes, last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes to solve all the 5 questions. Yes, Jay Gandhi, solve the problem. Yes, Jay Gandhi, solve the problem. I have admitted you late so that you can solve the problem. Otherwise, it is not worth to admit. So you make your admission worth by giving all the 5 question answers. All done? Chalo, let us discuss first question. Send me the answer of first. Anshul Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Raj Chawda C, Satish Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Riddhi Singh C, Tanvi Patel C, Anushri Mishra C, Anshul Patel C, Jay Gandhi C. Okay, Jay Gandhi. Meet Rathod, lock option C. Okay, Rishabh Gathani C. Yes, Neil C. Sarita Gupta C. Okay, so everybody is giving the answer C. C means 194. Let us verify. X is 7 plus 4 root 3. Then 1 by x will be 7 minus 4 root 3. X plus 1 upon x will be 4 root 3 get cancelled, that will be 14. X plus 1 upon x will be 14. So you find x plus 1 upon x whole square. That will be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. X plus 1 upon x is 14. 14 square is 196. 196 minus 2 is 194. So answer is 194. Okay. So first answer is 194, which is our option number C. So everybody has given the correct option. Again, I am reminding you that in examination, question will be random, question sequence will be random, answer sequence will be random. So do not copy, do not ask your friend what is your option for this question. Your option will be different. So try to write that test honestly, then only you will get good marks. Chalo, send me the answer of second. Anshul Patel B, Riddhi Singh B, Satish Patel B, Tanvi Patel B, Rishabh Gathani B, Sarita Gupta B. Chalo, anybody else whose name? Meet Rathod, lock option B. Chalo, Raj Chavda B, Anushree Mishra B, Alex Sagar B. Alex Sagar B. Yes, Arya Gorule, you have joined and then you have left. Chalo, B means plus minus 7. A minus B is 3. You have to find A plus B. So A minus B, A plus B. Use the formula. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. A minus B is given 3. 3 square. AB is given 10. So 3 square 9. 9 plus 40. 49. So take square root of 49. That will be plus minus 7. So plus minus 7 means option number B. Correct? Plus minus 7 means option number B. So everybody has given the correct option B, that is plus minus 7. Chalo. Yes. Send me the answer of third. Satish Patel C, Anshul Patel C, Raj Chavda C, Anushree Mishra C, Rishabh Gathani C, Jay Gandhi C, Tanvi Patel C, Riddhi Singh C, Jay Gandhi C, Sarita Gupta C, Meet Rathod C. Okay. Yes, Neil, what is your answer? Neil. Meet Rathod C. Neil Om Dikshit. Then Arvina Prajapati, morning you were giving the answer. What happened in this period? Chalo. C means x is 44 and y is 40. So any method you can solve. X minus 4y is 12 and 2x minus 5y is 18. Equating coefficient method. Multiply this equation by 4 by 5, this equation by 5 and multiply this equation by 4. Then they have same sign, minus minus, same sign, so you have to subtract. So 10x minus 20y is equal to 60. 8x minus 20y is equal to 72. Subtract, minus plus minus. 10 minus 8x, 2x plus 0 is equal to minus 72. How it is? 2x minus 5y is 18. 60. Okay. 5x, not 10x, 5x. Yes. 5x. So this will be minus 3x is equal to minus 12. So x is equal to plus 2. Then you will put x is equal to plus 4. How we are getting? X minus 4y is 12. 2x minus 5y is 18. 5x minus 20y is equal to 60. 12. How will we get 12? Yes. Satish Patel, how you are getting 14? Even though you multiplied by 2, your answer should be same. X minus 4y is equal to, sorry, it is not 12, minus 12. So this is minus 60. Minus 60 and minus 72 will be 132. Okay, so x is equal to 132 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, x is plus 44. X is plus 44, and when you will put x is equal to plus 44, 44 plus 12 is 60, 44 plus 12 is 44 plus 12 is equal to 4y. 56 is equal to 4y. 56 divided by 4, 14 is equal to y. So y is 14, x is 44 means your this option is C is correct. It is minus 12. Okay. So this option is correct. Option number C, x is plus 44 and y is 14 is correct option. Option number C. Yes. Option number C. Yes. Chalo, send me the answer of fourth one. Alex Sagar A. Meet Radford B. अरवीना प्रजापति बी, मीट राठौड़ बी, ऋषभ गठानी बी, सतीश पटेल, राज चावड़ा बी, सरिता गुप्ता बी, सतीश पटेल बी, तन्वी पटेल बी, नील बी. Okay. Yes, Anushree Mishra, what is your answer? Angshu Patel B. Anushree Mishra? Anushree Mishra B. Yes, B means 25. Okay. B means 25. Sum of the digit of two digit number. So x plus y is 7. So original number will be, my 10th place is x, unit place is y. So number will be 10x plus y, original number. Then if the digits are reversed, it will be 10y plus x. If the digits are reversed, the new number, this is my new number, 10y plus x, decreased by 2, minus 2 is equal to twice the original number, 2 times 10x plus y. So you will get 10y plus x minus 2 is equal to 20x plus 2y. Take x on that side, 19x minus 8y is equal to minus 2. So x plus y is 7 and 19x minus 8y is equal to minus 2. Multiply equation 1 by 8. So 8x plus 8y is equal to 56. 19x minus 8y is equal to minus 2. Add them, this get cancelled. 19 plus 8, 27x is equal to 54. So you will get x is equal to 2. When you will put the value of x, you will get y is equal to 5. So what is my original number? 10x plus y. So 10 into x is 2, plus y 5, 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is my original number. Yes, option number B is the correct option. Very good. So this time I am confident that majority of you will get good marks. At least those who are not present, tell them to go through the videos on YouTube and do the revision by themselves. Okay. Otherwise paper they will find difficult. Chalo, send me the answer of fifth one. Satish Patel 18, Raj Chavda B, Anshul Patel B, Rishabh Gathani B, Satish Patel D, Sarita Gupta D, Meet Rathod D, Tanvi Patel D, Anushree Mishra D, Karan Chauhan D, Anshul Patel D, Shubham Romina D, C, Meet Rathod D. Shubham Romina, check your answer. You are telling me C means 17. D is the correct answer, let us verify. Whenever it is asked to find median, first you arrange the data in ascending order. So 17, then sorry, not 17. 10, 11, 10, 11, 13, 17, 13, 17, 18, 20. 18, 20, then 22, 24, 53. How many data is given? 9. N is equal to 9. 9 is an odd number. So median will be, yes, median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. N is 9, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 upon 2 is 5th term. 5th term of the observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. 5th term is 18. So my median is 5th term of the observation. 5th term of the observation is 18. So median is 18. Okay. Median is 18. All of you send me your score in the chat box. Chalo. Send me your score in the chat box. Out of 5, how many you have got? 2 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5. That you send me in the chat box. Let me read. Send me your score. Anushree Mishra 5 out of 5. Sarita Gupta 5 out of 5. Satish Patel 5 out of 5. Raj Chawda 5 out of 4. How it is possible? Anshul Patel 5 out of 5. Tanvi Patel 5 out of 5. Chalo, anybody else? Rushabh Gathani 5 out of 5. Anybody is there? 3 out of 5? 2 out of 5? 0 out of 5? No. So again I am giving 5 questions and then we will see the score. Then 6 question. You are given a triangle. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree. This is my angle P. This is 15 meter and this is 30 meter. Find angle P. Find angle P. Option A 30 degree, B 45 degree, C 60 degree and D is 90 degree. 7 part. If 2 cos 2a is equal to root 3, then very good. Then the value of sin 3a. Is option A 1 by 2, B root 3 by 2, C 1, D 1 by root 2. Sin 3 value 1 by root 2 or root 3 by 2 or 1 by 2 or 1. Let's cross the century. So we have done a good net practice. Let us see your performance in the coming examination. I think you are having exam on 18th. Yes? Yes. Solve this. Then 8th question. You are given a triangle ABC, ABPQ. Okay. You are given a triangle ABPQ. Okay, this is my Q. B is 90 degree. AB is 150 meter. P is 30 degree. Q is 45 degree. Then the value of PQ is option A 107 meter, B 108 meter, C 109 meter and D is 110 meter. The ninth one. Find the value of 8 sin 30 degree. 8 sin 30 degree plus 12 cos 60 degree, 12 cos 60 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree, 3 tan 45 degree. Option A 5, B 7, C 9 and D is 70. Take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will discuss this. How many questions? Including these 9 questions, how many questions you can? Yes, Satish Patel, how many questions? 103. Okay. We have crossed century. Let us see your century on 18th. Take 5 minutes. Without making any mistakes, solve the problem. Get the answer correctly, get the confidence for 18th. Do not make a mistake in MCQ, because once you make a mistake, a silly mistake at the end, straight away you will lose 3 marks, 4 marks. So MCQ pattern, either you will get full marks or you will lose completely full marks. So while dealing with MCQ, be careful. Have full concentration on the problem. It is given A plus B, you are writing A minus B, because of that answer is different. And in MCQ, if you waste your time, then the time allotted to solve other problems, you will not be able to complete the paper. So very carefully you deal with MCQ question. Sometimes the answers are very close. It is 0.32, it is 0.23, it is 0.36. So very carefully you should select the option. Because examination does not mean only checking your knowledge. It takes everything. How much concentration you have, how much perfect you are, how much clever you are in dealing with MCQ. Yes, get done first. 2 more minutes. Then we will discuss the solution. In triangle you see hypotenuse is given, hypotenuse and opposite we consider sine, adjacent and hypotenuse we consider cos, opposite and adjacent we consider tan. So all this you should remember. How many of you who are present here, how many of you have got 40 out of 40? Yes, just tell me. Tell me. One by one from A division. A division. Please tell me your name. पूरा बोलो. Tanvi Patel. Tanvi Patel then. Siddhi. Anushree Mishra. Okay. Then Anshu Patel, A division first. Then Riddhi Singh, Tanvi Patel, Anushri Mishra, and one more, Anshu Patel. From A division, these 4 students have got scored 40 out of 40 in assessment 1. Okay. Now from B division, Satish Patel. Okay, Satish Patel 40 out of 40. Who else? Sarita Gupta 40 out of 40. Then anybody else present in B division 40 out of 40? Okay. That means from A division, B division, 6 students are there. But this time we want 60 students. We have to add 1 0. So tell your friends, go through the videos on YouTube, solve the problem, practice the problem. If they do not practice the problem, then nobody can save them. On 18th, they will become nervous. Okay. Because I have changed the number, I have twisted the question. Okay. Whatever problem you have practiced, numbers will be different. So definitely you have to do the calculation, apply the formula, and solve the question. Then only, yes. 8th answer is not coming. Answer will come. Approximate. You approximate. Suppose it is 1.2. Then I can approximate this to close to 1. Because after decimal, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then we increase the previous digit. So that way you do approximation and tick and select most appropriate close answer. That is there. Answer will come in the decimal, but you approximate that to the close answer which is given. Okay. All, chalo. Let us discuss. 3 minutes are left. Send me the answer of 6. Satish Patel C, Anshul Patel C, Sarita Gupta C, Raj Chavda C, Riddhi Singh C, okay, Tanvi Patel C, Anushri Mishra C, Rishabh Gathani C, okay, Jay Gandhi C, Arvina Prajapati C, Sarita Gupta C, okay, C means 60 degree, let us see. This is my reference angle, this is my hypotenuse. To this reference angle, this is my adjacent side. So adjacent and hypotenuse. Which ratio? Cos. So cos P is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse 15 upon 30, 1 by 2. Cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Cos 60 degree. That means P is equal to 60 degree. So option number C, 60 degree is the correct option. Option number C, 60 degree is the correct option. Okay. Send me the answer of 7. 7. Satish Patel D. Okay. Tanvi Patel D. Sarita Gupta D. Raj Chavda D. Jay Gandhi D. Yes. Anushri Mishra D. Riddhi Singh D. Anshul Patel D. Rishabh Gathani D. Okay. Rishabh Gathani D. D means 1 by root 2. Let us verify. 2 cos 2a is equal to root 3. So cos 2a is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos of which angle is root 3 by 2? 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Remember this. Remember the table. So 2a is equal to 30 degree. So you will get a is equal to 15 degree. Now you have to find the value of sin 3a. So sin 3a, a is 15 degree, 3 into 15 degree, that is sin 45 degree. Sin of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So the correct option is D 1 by root 2. Okay? D 1 by root 2 is the correct option. D 1 by root 2 is the correct option. Option number D. Answer 1 by root 2. Option number D, 1 by root 2. Now in the month of November, ICSE board, they are going to conduct 10 standard 40 marks mathematics examination in the MCQ format. How we have covered 100 problem, in the same format they are going to conduct MCQ type exam. So if you were in 10 standard, this would have definitely helped you there. Okay, chalo. Send me the answer of 8th. Satish Patel D, Tanvi Patel D, Satish Patel D, Raj Chavda D, Sarita Gupta D, Anshu Patel D, Anushree Mishra D. Okay. Arvina Prajapati D. Rishabh Gathani D. Okay, Rishabh Gathani D. D means 110. Let us verify. See here. There are various ways. Smaller triangle. Opposite is given. You want to find PQ. So you want to find QB. So tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to AB upon QB or BQ. Tan 45 is 1. AB is 150 meter. So you will get BQ is equal to 150 meter. BQ is equal to 150 meter. Okay, 150 meter. Now we consider, we want to find PQ. PQ consider X. So again, opposite and adjacent. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB 150 upon PB. PB is 150 plus X. Okay. Tan 30 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 150 upon 1. Tan 30. Yes, tan 61 by 1 by root 3. Yes. Is equal to 150 plus X. So 150 plus X is equal to 150 root 3. Take 150 on that side. X is equal to 150 common, then it is root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 is 1.732 minus 1 will be 0.732. So X is 150 into 0.732. Multiply X, 10 is there. 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 3, 48. 15 7s are 105, 105 plus 4, 109, then 10. So you decimal after 3 place, 109.8. Okay, 109.8. Okay, after decimal it is 8. So this becomes 110. Okay, 110 is your answer, B option. Very good. All of you have done nicely this, 110. So if this time you would have appeared 10 standard examination, you would have scored 40 out of 40. Because whichever problem we have covered in revision, 10 standard problem will not be that difficult compared to 9 standard. Chalo, send me the answer of 9th. Anshul Patel B, Satish Patel B, Tanvi Patel B, Raj Chavda B, Sarita Gupta B. Okay. Anybody else? Sarita Gupta B. Rishabh Gathani B, Anushree Mishra B. Anushree Mishra B. B means 7. Let us verify. 8 sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree 1 by 2. Plus 12 cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Tan 45 1. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 4 plus 6 minus 3. 10 minus 3, that is 7. So the correct option is 7. Okay. Option number B is the correct option. Very good. Now send me the score. Out of 4, how many marks? Out of 4, how many questions? Satish Patel 4 out of 4. Rishabh Gathani 5 out of. Where is 5? Sarita Gupta 4 out of 4. Tanvi Patel 4 out of 4. Anushree Mishra 4 out of 4. Anshu Patel 4 out of 4. Yes. Only 4 questions are there in the second round. Don't tell me out of 5. Okay. So now we stop here. See you tomorrow. We will do a few more revisions. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Same to all of you. You also take care. Celebrate Navratri.